everybody, thank you very much for being here. Today I'm going to be showing you how I did this nail design that I really like. I think it looks pretty nice actually. So if you want to see how I did it, please stay and watch. I already glued my press-on nails, and as you can see, those are the ones that cover the whole natural nail. And I already put in some of the nails, as you can see, just to save time, I put the nail polish, which is this one that I'm using today. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna apply it. So this is how it looks. And by the way, the color is 365 Heart Beaten. I'm gonna need a white nail polish, any white nail polish that you have, and a brush with a little thin tip there. In this piece of plastic, you can use whatever you have that you don't mind about getting stained. And I'm gonna put just a few drops on the plastic. I'm going to dip the brush on the white nail polish, and I'm going to start drawing. And have some paper towel handy so that you can clean your brush whenever you need to. I'm going to put more drops of the white nail polish because the one that I put originally already dry. And I'm going to use this tool that has a round tip, very little one. And I'm going to put some dot. Then I'm gonna use this nail polish, which is a silver glittery nail polish. I'm going to dip my brush in it. Then I'm just gonna grab any clear nail polish and put it on top so that the nail will have some extra shine. Okay, this is the final look. I hope that you like it. I really like it myself. I think it's a really nice nail winter design. I think it looks pretty cool actually, especially for the snowflakes. So if you like this video, please like it, subscribe so that you can see more of my videos, and comment. Let me know what is it that you're seeing or what other videos would you like to see. So that's it for today, and I will see you next time. Bye.